If you have leather that's scratched, faded, or just plain worn out, this was such an easy DIY fix. This leather recoloring balm was gifted to me by the brand for my honest review, and I tested it on one of my worn pillows, and the before and after difference was honestly impressive. It comes as a full kit with everything you need, sponges, gloves, etc., and it's really simple to use. Even if you've never done anything like this before, I used the dark brown shade and it helped blend out the scratches and even out the colors so the leather looked refreshed instead of worn down. Here's what my pillow looked like before I applied the recoloring balm. You can see there's a ton of scratches and it just looks worn, and some of the leather looks rubbed off. So all I had to do was shake up the balm, put the gloves on, and dip the sponge into the balm, and then put some thin coats onto the pillow. They suggest doing 2 to 3 thin coats, and then you need to wait 30 minutes afterwards until it dries. What I like is that it doesn't just sit on top, it blends into the leather and helps improve the overall appearance without looking patchy. I was genuinely impressed with the difference that it made. It just looked totally refreshed. So if you're trying to extend the life of your leather instead of replacing it, this is definitely worth trying. And you can use it on couches, car seats, bags, and more, so it's super versatile.